Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vincent again. This is a Vincent YouTube channel. So if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing for more videos like this. So today I'll just go straight to the point. If you are looking for a car, or let's say if you're planning to buy a car, kindly look at the three documents. These are three fundamental documents to look for when you're buying a car. Number one, we have administrative documents. So what is an administrative document? So this is a document where it shows whether the car you are buying or purchasing has been cleared by the KRA. KRA is Kenya Revenue Authority. That's to confirm just whether you paid the required taxes for this car to be in the country, so that the car should not be branded as it's in the country illegally, guys. So that's one document. When you're buying a car, make sure you've confirmed the administrative documents. Administrative documents. That will show that the car is legally in the country. That's one. That's one, the first document. Then the second document, these are very important, three important documents. Second document here is a certificate of roadworthiness of that car. That certificate of roadworthiness. Guys, the next document here, we have the certificate of roadworthiness. Certificate of roadworthiness. This is where you will see the real mileage of the car. The real mileage of the car. For those who have been complaining, or the mileage of the car has been tampered with. So if you want to know the real mileage of the car, request for this document called certificate of roadworthiness of this car. That's another very important document in a car. The third one, and this is the last document, which is very important, is called auction sheet. Auction sheet. So this is where auction sheet. This shows the grade of the car. Even the cars have grades, guys. There are grades of the cars, real mileage, and also the engine capacity of that car. That's and also the chassis number that's shown on the auction sheet. This will show you if the car has a problem. For those who are buying used car or second-hand cars, used cars, it will show you whether the car has a problem. And if there's a problem, that issue will be highlighted there in that auction sheet. So when you are buying that car, you will know exactly the problem with the car or the issue with the car, right? So remember to subscribe down below for all these more updates on cars. These are the informations you will not find anywhere. No car dealer will tell you all this information, guys. So stay tuned for more. Now I've talked about grades. There are grades. So these grades are based on the interior or the exterior of a car. So cars are graded based on the interior and exterior of the car. And these grades are just like high school grades, guys. We have grade A, B, C, D, and E. A being the best, and E being the worst. So if you're buying the car, if you're looking for the grades, look at these grades also. Yeah, A being the best, like A student, and also E being the worst. And remember, most foreign used cars in Kenya, most of them are grade 5. They are grade 5. They are not easy to get. So they're not easy to get. Grade 5 is just like it has a very minor or a scratch on that car. Yes, guys, I hope you find this information very helpful. If you are looking for a car, or you are if you are planning to go and buy a car, I hope these are very important information to you. Now we've talked about the errors there, let's say not necessarily errors, but on the auction sheet, guys, so in the auction sheet we mentioned that it also shows some, let's say if a car has an error or a problem, which will be highlighted on that sheet. So these problems or these mistakes, the problem the car has, they are illustrated using the letters, yeah guys. So on that sheet you'll see these letters, like we have letter A, that's A, letter A. This means there's a scratch on that car. So the next letter will be letter U. So letter U means that car has a dent. It has a dent. Then we have letter S. S means there's rust. So you should know the meaning of this. Then we have letter X. X means there's a part which needs replacement in that car. Yeah, so we have letter A. A means there's a scratch on that car. Then we have letter U. U means there's a dent. S means there's rust. And also X. X means there's a part of that car which needs replacement. And that part will be shown on that auction sheet. So don't worry. They will show you which part needs replacement on that car next. So of cars. And grade 6, these are cars which are straight directly from the factory. These ones have never been driven, or they are 0 mileage, which is not, they are not yet driven, guys. So what are some of the best grades to buy, best grades of the cars to buy? So the best grades to buy, best car grades to buy are from grades 3.5 onwards. Those are best cars to buy onwards. So grade R means the car has been repaired. We also have grade R. Grade R means that car has been repaired. It has been repaired. And remember, this repair can be minor, so it's not a big issue. Repair can be a very minor repair. Yeah, so it can be very minor. Now, the worst grades to buy, these grades of the cars, you buy them at your own risk. These are grade 1 and grade 2 cars. Buy these cars at your own risk, because you'll be having problems now and then fixing the car. You'll have the problems now and then fixing the car, guys. So the best grades of cars to buy are, I've said, just a recap, are from grade 30. Sorry, is it grade? Yeah, this grade from grade 3.5. Let me just confirm. Grade 3.5. Grade 3.5 onwards. Those are the best grades of cars to buy. But grade 1, 2, those are the worst grades. So you buy them at your own risk, because that means you will be spending more money repairing your car instead of enjoying your car, guys. So as I wind up this video, guys, remember to like the video, share, and also comment down below. For any question regarding the grades of the cars and also all these documents, just comment down below. I'll respond to all that. Now, there's various mistakes many people do, those who are looking for cars. There are various mistakes. These are very common mistakes that we do. Those who are buying cars for the first time, they look for mileage of the car, color, and also the price. Mileage, color, price, and what else? Mileage, color, price and also the outlook, let's say the exterior and the interior. That's a very, very big mistake we are doing. So instead, from today, if you are looking for a car, guys, kindly look at the 3 very important documents. We have the administrative documents. 2, we have the certificate of roadworthiness of that car. Then the last one, very important one, we have the auction sheet. All these 3 documents will show you everything you need for that car you want to buy, guys. So I hope that's very helpful, that information regarding cars. So from today, start looking for these 3 documents if you want to buy a car, for you to have a very, very nice car that will serve you, instead of spending your money buying a car and also spending on that car again. So use these 3 documents, very important. For more queries, comment down below, guys, or you can contact me on my number down here. That's the WhatsApp number. Contact me there. I'll help you more. And if you're looking for cars, just comment or just send me a message which car you're looking for, and I'll help you acquire that car in a very good price, guys. Until next time, guys, bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.